How to patch carpet by Fresh Carpet Cleaning. Wanna easily patch your damaged carpet? Just follow these carpet patching steps. Step 1, Patch Repair Kit. Step 2, Patch Repair with Heat. Step 1, Patch Repair Kit. Use the tape to measure the width and length. You'll find the tape in the patch repair kit. Measuring the patch's size will make it easy to replace the accurate size of the patch. Outline the damaged section with duct tape. Outlining the section will make easy to remove the exact measured area. Use a carpet cutting tool or a utility knife to cut across the inside perimeter of the duct tape. But don't put extra pressure on the carpet, otherwise it will damage the central layer of padding. Now flip of the carpet surface. When one section completely gets cut, face down the carpet remnant and measure it with the measurement tool used earlier. Move and fit the carpet patch, then apply the glue. Check the fitting of the patch before glue permanently sets. Move the carpet brush around the patch to hide a pile of the patch. Step 2, Patch Repair with Heat. First, cut the measure R and remove the damaged carpet as mentioned in Step 1 process. Now place adhesive patch pad on the patch's upper side and keep it in the center. Move your iron and cover the entire patch with heat. When the patch gets heated enough, remove the iron and from the patch pad and let the patch dry. The glue on the pad will fully dry when the carpet will get cool. Remove the loose fibers of the patch with a carpet brush. Thanks for watching.